Hello, today we'll be talking about administering muscular fitness tests. We will be using the 1 repetition max and sub-maximal 1 RM test to assess muscular strength, and we will also be using the full or modified push-up test to assess muscular endurance. The equipment that we will be needing are a bench press with an adequate amount of weights, some clamps, and a partner who will serve as a spotter. Also, you may use a mat for the endurance test. It is important to warm up before the assessment to allow the body to perform at its best ability. The warm-up will consist of a 5 to 10 minute low-intensity aerobic exercise warm-up such as jogging. Also, the warm-up will consist of some dynamic stretches focusing on the upper body since the assessment utilizes upper body strength as well. Also, I will perform several reps with a light load to get accustomed to the movement before conducting the muscular strength test. As you can see here, I warmed up by performing reps with just a bar to prepare myself for the movement of the bench press. Once I finished my warm-up, I selected a weight that was 50 to 70% of my perceived capacity. Make sure you're using a closed grip and that your spotter is ready to assist you if needed. After each attempt, it is important to wait 3 to 5 minutes before attempting the next 1 RM. Also, after each attempt, increase the weight by 5 to 45 pounds. It should take you no more than 4 attempts to attain your 1 repetition max. Your 1 RM will be the heaviest weight you lift successfully through full range of motion unassisted with proper form. This attempt here is my 1 RM load since I was only able to perform 1 rep. To obtain the strength to weight ratio, divide the weight pushed in pounds by body weight in pounds. For example, if I pushed a 1 RM of 125 pounds and my weight is 155 pounds, then I divide 125 by 155 and get a bench press weight ratio of 0.83. Looking at this table, I can find what category I fall in based on my performance. Next is the sub-maximal 1 RM test. Using this test is great for sedentary, older, and adolescent populations because it does not place a huge amount of weight on the individual that may cause injury such as stress on the bones and muscles. For this test, it is important to warm up and perform reps with a light load to prepare for the movement before the assessment. Increase the weight until you fatigue within 2 to 10 reps. Remember to rest 3 to 5 minutes between each attempt. The equation shown will give the predicted 1 RM based on reps to fatigue. This formula is only valid for 1 RM predictions when reps to fatigue are less than 10. The number produced will give you a rough estimate of your 1 RM max, which you can use in the strength to weight ratio equation to obtain your bench press weight ratio and then look at the table to see what category you fall under. For example, if I pushed a weight of 105 pounds for 10 reps, then I plug in that information into the equation, which gives me 105 divided by 1.0278 minus 0.278 times 10. When solving the equation, I end up with 140.04 pounds for my predicted 1 RM. For the push-up test, you're going to start in the push-up position with your hands shoulder width apart, pointing forward, keeping your back straight, head up, and make sure your elbows fully extend on the up position and your chin touches mat when you go down. Be sure to exhale when pushing off the floor. The goal is to perform as many push-ups as you can without rest. The number of repetitions is your score. The test is stopped when proper form is not maintained within 2 repetitions. For the modified push-up test, the procedures are exactly the same except you will be in the knee push-up position, meaning your knees will be allowed to rest on the floor. The table shown will help you categorize yourself based on age, sex, and number of push-ups performed. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.